What's up, guys? Today we will be playing with some slime. So let's go. So I got it right here. It was in this container. Here it is. It's not stretchy. It's like this good and satisfying to play with, and it pulls up. Okay, I'm gonna get some lotion, guys. Well, my sister thinks we should put some lotion in it, so I'm gonna put some lotion in it. Okay, that's it. Because this slime made out of glue. Shut up. There's the good slime. Not glue, sorry. I'm not gonna add any more glue in this. Anyway, we're just gonna mix it up. My sister is the one who told me to add the lotion in. I'm not really a fan of adding lotion in my good slimes. I'll tell you guys that. Be quiet. Don't mind my sister. She just talks every time we make a video. She finds me. Guys, thank you for subscribing, Shiloh. How you doing, girl? I'll be like, I also tell Ria, but subscribe to me. And also, I got phone, so you can stop there. And for those who believe me, you gotta ask for it. But it dropped and break last night. The screen dropped and break last night. Guys, my sister told me to add lotion, but the lotion just made it like, to me it made it more glossy, and it's a white slime because I never make white slime. If you guys watch my video, I have like yellow slime, red slime, pink slimes. I never make. I will also be doing a slime tutorial. I noticed all my videos. Okay, let me see if you guys. I can't get a spot where you guys can see the slime. Gonna have to try. Can't find a spot. Don't mind the lighting. I have very bad lighting. So, I don't find the it normally already rips right here. Don't mind the background noises. My AC is on. This here the AC, and also the curtains are open so you can hear. The curtains are open, not the windows, guys. I don't want my windows gonna have my AC. The curtains are wide open, so because I need some light in my bedroom. I can't expect to have my bedroom dark. Like, that's just creepy. Only when I'm going to sleep. Also, that will be it for this week's video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll put my different channels' name down in the description box in next week's video, because I haven't figured out a name for my new channel. If you guys have a name for my new channel, please comment down below. And if you started school yet, comment down below. Don't tell me the school you're in, so just comment down below that you started school yet and what grade you're going in. And if you have a channel, please comment it down below so that I could go and check it out and subscribe to it. And I'll also tell my friends to subscribe to your channel. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye. And also, stay tuned for Slime Watch Weekly. Bye. I'm going to put this in the container. Bye.